Hi team, today I would like to go over how to install Google Cloud SDK on a Windows machine. Google Cloud CLI includes gcloud, gsutil, and BQ command line tools to interact with the Google Cloud platform. gcloud is the primary CLI tool to work with Google Cloud resources. gsutil is the primary CLI tool to work with the Google Cloud storage resources, and the BQ is the tool to work with the Google Cloud BigQuery resources. Alright, so for the installation, you would need to run the PowerShell in administrative mode. So go to your search bar and right click on the PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Okay, once it's done, run the following command, enter. Okay, after this, continue with this command, enter. Okay, so this will start Google Cloud installation wizard. So firstly, you will see the welcome screen and then two checkbox options: turn on the reader mode and help Google make Cloud CLI better. So I'll check both of them, then I click next. The next one is the license agreement, and I would agree with this. Next is the installation type. It can either be for single user or all. I'll click all, then I click next. The next prompt is where it to be installed. By default, it's program files, and this works for me. So I'd also click next. Okay, so the next one is so here I would go with the default options, select components to install. I would keep the second and the third, bundled Python, and cloud tools for PowerShell. So this was the last prompt, and if you click install, this will complete the installation. I'm not going to click install because I have this already installed. So after the installation is complete, you will get something like this, Google Cloud SDK shell, and if you click on this, you can confirm that it's been successfully installed by checking the version. For example, you can run gcloud space -- version and click enter. And if everything's been installed correctly, you would see the Cloud SDK version. Alright, so this completes my video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.